Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 8th. I was going to say the 11th. For the 8th of November. Let's go ahead and go into your Is Your Ex Coming Back reading, Scorpio. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's the messages that we can accumulate at the moment before I am kicked out of this space. Oop. Let us go. Scorpio? Hello? Okay, Scorpio, let's go. How does your ex feel about you, Scorpio? You got the 8 up. Well, your ex is kidnapping you? Did your ex traffic you? Because apparently your ex is not fond of women. So I'm getting entrapment, Scorpio, 8 of swords. I'm getting something about your ex kidnap you, your ex used to traffic you. What your ex used to do to you? I'm getting your ex bring you to an abandoned house and you don't know the coordinates of where the house is located. Something about your ex. How your ex feel about you? Your ex want catch you, tape up your foot them, tape up your hand them, shove you in one blood clot van and bring you somewhere else. That's how your ex feel about you. Now, do they want you back? After doing all of that, the 2 of wands. No, they want you to go missing. They don't want you to come back. They want you to go forward. Go back to your country. Go back to that man who fuck you and left you a single mother. There we go. Continue the reading. What is the greatest? What is the obstacle of reuniting? I don't think there's a greatest obstacle of reuniting. Somebody's trafficking you. There's no reuniting here. You get traffic. I want to say I get traffic in front of the world because I have the world card in my hand right there and somebody else is looking. So I'm getting, there's another witness to this. I'm getting something about a kidnap or something like that. What's the greatest obstacle in reuniting? The 2 of cups and I don't want to reunite. Somebody literally, they're going to kidnap you for the back with you again? Is that the plan? The plan is to kidnap you, traffic you, make you stay in one place and then them going to come to the place you are and ask you if you want to be with them again. Isn't P. Diddy lock the fuck up? Who the fuck is this? Okay, what is the likeliest outcome concerning both of you? The death. Yeah, kill them, I'll kill out your blood clot. Ah, whoa. Somebody going to kidnap you, bring you to a location, talk with you and tell you, say, yeah man, I want to be with you, and then they're going to fucking kill you. So yeah, how your ex feel about you, Scorpio? Your ex want to kill you. That's how they feel about you. Pretty self-explanatory. 2 minutes, that was great. Your ex want to kill you. They want to traffic you, tie you up with tape, torture you, and then kill you. That's what your ex wants. I don't know what you did to the ex, or I don't know which man you allowed for fuck you, but apparently that dick was cursed. Sorry, you didn't know this. I am the game. Trust no one. One night stand. Oh yeah, I'm probably going to want to have sex with you first before them kill you. The devil. Yeah, the devil, yeah. And larceny. That's what them want. So them want to talk to you, sleep with you, and I'm getting you ain't gonna come back. Because somebody blindfold you and tie you up. Tape up your hands and foot. You think you're going to come back? That's not the plan. So I'm getting if this Scorpio man never reach out to you again, saying that they want to talk about the past, yet don't go. Because I'm getting them have rope, knife, and tape in their backpack. Just waiting for the right moment to get back at you. Maybe that's why you left them. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.